Your hand, be careful.
Like you used to need people support, or you can actually do everything alone.
Yes, I can do everything alone, but I don't want
Please
to be
come
greedy.
closer.
I don't want to be greedy, so I take like there are some children that have interest in it, so
Okay.
I bring them along, I teach them about it, so
Okay, very
we
good.
work together.
Yeah. But nobody actually taught you about this. You know about it yourself.
Not at all. Not at all.
So he said nobody has taught him. He knows about it by himself. But you decide to teach people.
Exactly.
That's a very good idea. Yeah. Ṣé àwọn ọmọ yín láti sọ yẹn àbí kán wà báyìí?
Okay, wọ́n lè wà báyìí náà, so tá bá ti fẹ́ take off ní wọ́n máa sún
Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́
sẹ́yìn.
nǹkan tó ń sọ? Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́? Ṣẹ́yìn náà ń wò ó? Bóyá ẹ̀yin náà lè padà ṣerú ẹ̀ ní ọjọ́ iwájú àbí?
Okay.
Let me see your mic. I don't think your mic is on anymore. Okay. So guys, the two mics are off. So I want you to enjoy yours better. So he's about to fly it now. So my voice is actually going to be louder than the way it was. So he's ready now, and let us wish him best of luck. Okay, thank you. Show more of this, show more of this, show more of this. When you ready to take off, please let us know. Please, what you are saying here, please say it to the camera, like what you need to do.
Okay. I'm actually setting the missions right now. So I'm setting the waypoints. That's the command that I'll be sending to the aircraft, what the aircraft will be doing. So that's what I'm doing for my system. So after I'm done with it, I'll be sending mission to the aircraft, to the autopilot on board. So I'll cover it. After covering it, I'll take off. So I'll be receiving my data back on the system.
Very easy for you.
Okay. Be careful, because I have to spin the engine right now. So
like you have to throw it.
No, I'm spinning the engine, so it's a massive thing now. Okay. Your hand, be careful. Okay, so
Wow.
that was what saved me. You understand? So I had to make it achieve. Yeah, it's on a mission. It is.
You can see it's actually better now. Huh?
Don't worry for the details. Okay. So let's land it, Let's land it. Or we can still send it anywhere you want. You can go as far as.
So he's flying it now, and he said it can go as far as Oja Oba in Ilorin, anywhere. We are currently in Kwara State Stadium. So he said he can go anywhere. But I want him to land it now. Because of time. We still have other things to do. So he's ready to land it now.
Okay, sir.
Tell them.
So I'm ready to land the aircraft right now. So we've already achieved our mission. Although we can fly as far as 1 hour on air and as far as.
So that means 1 hour. Imagine a trip from Lagos to Abuja is even a 1 hour trip. So this person can actually build an aircraft. I believe in him. So let him land it now, and let's watch how he's going to land it.
Okay. So.
Okay, I'm ready. Yeah. Hello. So like the aircraft has been up there for more than 10 minutes now, and we are about to land it. So I wanted to do a low pass. Okay. Want to land it now, right? Not yet. Want to land it now?
Not yet.
Yay!
Lamp.
Okay, Velan. He's about to land now. Hey, bro! Okay. Yeah, enjoy clear. Yeah, mura. Hey, bro, carry this thing. Okay. You guys should move. He's landing now. Landing. Hey. Move up. Landing. Move. So, our aircraft just landed. We were not able to record the landing part just because the person that was recording it, he was actually very, very afraid of the aircraft not landing on his head. But we did it. Congratulations. He was able to fly successfully, and we appreciate him. Mention your name again. Aliyu Musa. Okay, from Kwara, and I'm telling you, I'm reminding you that Kwara State got talent. So these are the my friends that have been here with us. So lágbára Ọlọ́run, ẹ̀yin náà máa dàgbà o. Ẹ̀yin náà máa ṣe tójú báyìí lọ o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. So thank you all, thank you Nigeria. Please let's support this guy and let's make sure he's going to be at the top very, very soon. Thank you very, very much. We appreciate you. God bless you.